Google Search Console provides valuable insights for website owners. It focuses on how your website performs in Google search results. Hi, I am Khaled. Today I am going to show you how to set up Search Console for a website. Search Console tools and reports help you measure your site's search traffic and performance, fix issues, and elevate your site ranking in Google search results. So, if you are interested to monitor how your website is performing in Google search results, at first you should link Google Search Console tool to your website. Right now I am showing you how to set up Google Search Console for my website. Don't forget to subscribe this channel if you like. For more free tools, tutorials and offers, you can visit the link below this video. So, this is my website. To begin setup, go to google.com. In search bar, write Search Console. Hit enter. Click on Google Search Console tools. It will open up the Google Search Console page. Click Start Now to get access to the Search Console features. You can provide your Gmail, that's Google account credentials, to gain access to the Search Console platform. You can add multiple websites with each Search Console account. To link a website to your Search Console account, locate Search Property search box in the left upper side of the page. Click on Add Property. I want to link only my root website to Search Console, so that I am placing my website URL into the input field below URL prefix. Then press Continue. My website ownership is auto-verified for Google Search Console because I already have verified this website with Google Analytics tool. If you are interested to know how to set up Google Analytics for your website tracking, you can check the link below this video. Right now I am going to show you a quick and easy verification method for your website to link with Search Console. So, showing HTML tag verification for Google Search Console now. To verify your website for Search Console, look at Settings in the left side menu. Click on Ownership Verification. I am going to show you how to verify with HTML tag. Click on HTML tag. There is a meta tag available here. You need to copy the meta tag and paste it into your website's home page. Now I need to paste this meta tag to my website's home page. This meta tag should go in the head section before the first body section into your website's home page. Let me show you how to paste it in the home page. So copy the meta tag at first. I can paste it into my website's first page using WordPress admin login. To paste the code, let me log into my WordPress admin area. I already have logged in. Locate Appearance. Then Theme File Editor. Locate header.php file in the right side menu for theme files. So I need to paste the meta tag here. Don't forget to click on Update File so that the changes can be saved. Click on Update File. A confirmation message shows file edited successfully. Now click on Verify. Verification is successful. Therefore, my website verification for Search Console linking is done successfully. Hope that you enjoy the video. If you have any more queries addressing this video guide on how to set up Search Console for a website, you can send your queries in these video description links and comments. If you are interested to know how to set up Google Analytics for your website tracking, you can check the link below this video. For more videos like this, make sure to subscribe this channel and get in touch with FiberCrest for more awesome upcoming tutorials. Thanks for watching.